These are the nights that never die. My father told me.
Hi everyone, my name is Pradul and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video of the birthday series. Today, I'm going to be buying and reviewing products from your businesses, from my subscribers' businesses. In the past, I've bought a lot of products that Instagram recommends me, but this time I wanted to support you guys and try these different kinds of products. So in this video, we're going to be trying a lot of clothing brands. We have some intimate wear as well. We have jewelry, we have food related products, and we have body care. So there's a mix of everything, and there are different price ranges also. So having said all of that, let's get started with today's video. Let's start with the first brand. We're going to start with a clothing brand. It's called Beyond Tara. When I went onto their Instagram, the first thing that I noticed is their branding. I really like their branding, and what really stood out were their prints and colors. If you are a colorful person, if you really like wearing colorful prints and just colors in general, I think this is a brand that you need to check out for yourself. As for me, this is what I picked up. Already you can see there are so many colors going on here. So this is a pant and shirt set. Let's start off by talking about the fabric. I would give it like a 7 on 10 in terms of how it feels on my body. I really like the fit. It's definitely a very out there piece, but it's gonna make you really stand out. Talking about the pricing, this retails for 3,620 rupees. Something being expensive is definitely a relative topic, so you decide if this is worth it for you or not. But I feel like if you're bored of wearing Zara, H&M, this is a good place to at least scroll on. The next brand is called Nap Story. I think you can kind of guess from the name what they sell. They sell a lot of really cool PJs. Again, very, very cool prints, different types of sets as well. So if you're not comfortable wearing shorts, they have full pants as well, full sleeves, half sleeves, a lot of different combinations. This is what I picked up, a pink PJ set. This gives very Valentine's Day vibes. Now personally, I love matching PJs. For the most part, that is what I prefer wearing. Obviously, there are certain nights where I just couldn't care less, but for the most part, I really like wearing a matching set. I don't know what it is about a matching set. I really enjoy wearing them, but I have a very specific requirement. It has to be comfortable, of course, because I'm sleeping in it, and I personally prefer cotton, so I made sure that I got a piece that is cotton. So in terms of fabric, I would give it like a 9 out of 10 in terms of how it feels on my skin and my body. I think it looks super cute and fits really well. In case you're wondering, I got a size small. In terms of pricing, this retails for 999 rupees, which I think is pretty good. So if you're looking for cute PJ sets, if you're maybe traveling and you want to get some nice PJs for yourself, definitely check out Nap Story. The next brand that we have is called Curvy. It's a shapewear and intimate wear brand. Even before I talk about the product that I bought, I really want to appreciate their packaging. So first of all, you're gonna get a tote bag. Very cute. I feel like these are just so handy. And then it comes with these two cards, one of which is basically kind of like an instruction care manual of how you should wash this intimate wear. And this is what the product came in. This is just so cute. So basically I ordered a set of panties and a bra. And this is the color that I went for. Now, when I go on their website, it gives very Skims vibe. And when I actually got it in person also, it feels very familiar. I don't own anything from Skims, but I have felt it in person. Like I felt their products. And this feels very similar. Now my biggest thing was I really wanted to test out these seamless panties. So I got out my tightest fitting bodycon dress. I'm so happy to inform you guys that this product works, because I feel like I've tried so many seamless underwear and a lot of them don't really work for me, or the underwear is uncomfortable. I'm also very picky about what underwear I wear, and this one passed the test for me personally. It felt very comfortable. I love the color, I love the fabric, and I hate panty lines. So this just ticks all the boxes off. I'm really keen on trying out their shapewear because I'm personally even more finicky when it comes to shapewear. I do own a few pieces of shapewear, but none of them are really working out for me right now because I have gained some weight and I feel like shapewear can be very tight and very uncomfortable. So I'm excited to try out shapewear from Curvy. In case it does work out for me, I'll let you know in some future video. But a thumbs up from my end for the underwear and the bra as well. By the way, the bra, I didn't speak about the bra, I just got so excited about the underwear. Now the bra almost feels like a sports bra, so it's very comfortable on your skin. So yeah, you get it. Overall, I'm very happy with this brand. Let's take a break from clothing items and move on to jewelry. Now this jewelry brand is called Women Code and they do chunky gold bold jewelry. I really like gold jewelry, but I'm not really into chunky bold jewelry. As you can tell, I personally prefer very minimalistic jewelry, but for certain looks, I feel like I have a scarcity of those kinds of pieces in my wardrobe. So I got a few from them. This is the packaging that it came in a plastic box, and all of them are individually wrapped in plastic. How cool are these? These are earrings. Okay, I've never worn anything like this, but I do know for certain looks this would just look so cool. One thing to keep in mind, this is very rustic jewelry. Like when you look at it up close, it doesn't have like an even coating. It's supposed to be very like bohemian. We checked with them, like we DM'd them just to make sure that we didn't get a faulty piece. It's intentional. This is what it looks like. Another pair of earrings. Clearly, I was really feeling the hearts. Again, a very cool piece. And then I also picked up these gold beaded bracelets. Now these are very trendy, and my only bone to pick with these is that they're very loose on me. Now I do have very thin wrists, but I feel like there should be an option for us as well because no bracelets fit me, and I think this is such a cool piece. I just wish it fit me better. Like I wish it was just a tad bit tighter. Like this is what it looks like, and it's not very flattering. Next we have a food brand, bakery related brand. It's called Sweet Cravings by Shreya. Now I have ordered a few cakes from her in the past, and both the times it turned out really nice. Like not only in terms of taste, but the way it looked. Both the times I sent her a picture from Pinterest and she was able to really nail it in the way it looks and the aesthetics. So I feel like if it's your birthday, if you want eggless cakes, I think it's a really good option to maybe DM her. But I was stalking her Instagram and I came across these teddy bear cookies that she makes. She honestly does such cool reels on her channel. If you're someone who likes watching food content, I think just give it a scroll. You might probably like what she does. And I was personally so fascinated by these teddy bear cookies that I decided to order a few for myself. As you can see, the cookies are super cute. And if I had to describe what they taste like, they tasted like naan khatais, which I really like. So overall, I think this was such a good treat. Let's take a small break for today's giveaway. The next brand that we have is called Mima Co Self Care. Now it's an Ayurvedic brand mixed with modern science is what they say. This is how it looks like. I've tried to save all the pieces of packaging that I really enjoyed, and they've done such a good job with their packaging. So we have a lot of products to try. The first product that we have is called Cake Pop. Now this is a whipped soap. I'm actually excited to smell it first of all because of the name. Oh my god, it smells like a strawberry cake. It smells so good and the texture looks very interesting. The texture of the soap is super cool. It's gonna make your entire shower smell like a strawberry milkshake. However, the con is that this will not last on your body. The pro is that it's gonna make your skin feel so soft and hydrated. Then we have the Sunday Sprinkle Body Butter. Again, excited to smell this one. Ooh, smells very nice. Smells very calming, doesn't necessarily smell like a sundae or like a gourmand smell. Body butter is quite nice. Nothing extraordinary to be honest. but it's a decent body lotion. They were also kind enough to throw in a few samples. So the first thing that we have is a rose clay mask, and then we have a cocoa almond lip butter. This is so pretty. So this is a bath salt. This is supposed to smell like rose and patchouli. Love the cotton candy effect, rainbow unicorn effect that they have going on here. Up next, we have a clothing brand. It's called Suvasti by Ankita. Now, this is a set that I'm really excited to show you. So basically, they do Indian wear sets mostly, and their feed again looks so calming, gives you such good vibes. And मुझे देख के ही समझ में आ गया कि उनका fabric is going to be so nice. And I was right. The minute I touched it, it just feels so comfortable. Fabric is cotton, so it's great on your skin. And this is the piece that I was wearing on Raksha Bandhan, and I got a lot of DMs from you guys asking me where it's from. This is where it's from. I'm very happy with the way it looks. And the beauty about sets is that you just put it on. You don't have to think about matching different things. You just put on some nice silver jewelry and you look so nice. So I'm definitely going to be purchasing more from them. They have quite a few different options in terms of print for you to choose from. The price range is for 1850 for the pajama, the kurta and the dupatta. Another jewelry brand, this one you've probably heard me talking about. So this is called the NV House. I've been wearing their jewelry for I think 6-7 years at least for now. And of late, I feel like since a year, if you spot me wearing jewelry, 80% of the times it's from the NV House because they make really dainty, beautiful gold jewelry. They do silver as well, but I prefer wearing gold. Even right now, both of my earrings are from NV House. One of the bracelets I'm wearing is from the NV House. They recently dropped a new collection and it looks so cute, so I ordered a few pieces from them. So the best thing about the NV House is that it's very affordable, but they have such great, unique designs and so many designs to choose from also. And you can also wear them when you're taking a bath. They've never ever tarnished. So I think it's such a great jewelry brand. I've saved the best for the last, but I will warn you, this is also the most expensive thing that I've bought. The brand is called Mitts. It's a newer brand. They don't have that many pieces for you to choose from, but the pieces that they already have live are so unique and so cute. Like I would want to buy everything that they have, but I made the hard decision and just picked one thing from them, and this is what I got. Isn't it so beautiful? It's so cool and so Pinteresty. I think it's beautiful and it's probably one of my most favorite things that I've picked up for today's video. In pictures, it looked really nice. I was worried about how it would look like in person, but it looks great. Like the detailing is so beautiful. I love the colors, and in general, I have a thing for woolen wear. So my heart really goes out to this piece, and definitely check it out. It is on the expensive side. This was for 4350 rupees. It's a unique piece. And yeah, with that, we have come towards the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. In case you guys want to support these businesses, of course, everything is going to be linked down below. If you want me to make a part 2 and maybe talk about your businesses, let me know in the comments down below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel because there are so many new videos coming your way and a lot of exciting ones, I will say. So that's basically it. Follow me on my Instagram and also follow me on my other channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.